me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm actually very excited for today's video because I am trying a product that is literally viral on TikTok. I've been seeing it all over the place, and something about it is giving that might be the one. As you can see by the title, it's a lip product that I'm trying, and if y'all know, like, I literally majority only use Fenty products. When y'all say what is on your lips, it is a combination of like 3 different Fenty products on my lips. So for me to see something that has me like, wait a minute, can something come in here and take Fenty's spot? Let's go, y'all. Okay, so this is that product. This is the ROM ND. I'm not sure. Romand? Is that how you say it? That's the brand. This is their Volume Hack Trio. So it is a lip kit, and like I said, I've been seeing it all over TikTok, and this is actually available at Ulta. The brand is available at Ulta. However, Ulta only has 2 lip kits, and on TikTok Shop you can get 3 different ones to choose from. So this is the Mocha Mousse set, and the reason why it's been going viral is because allegedly your lips are supposed to look like the box by the time you put all 3 products on. Do you see that? Do you see how her lips look on this box? So let's see, let's go ahead. That's how it comes. Okay, so how it works, first with the lip liner. Next is the balm. So that's what we look like 2 steps in. And what's supposed to like set it off is the lip gloss. If it's going viral because your lips look like what it looks like on the packaging, and keep in mind my lips are naturally darker, I didn't do any like color correcting, anything like that before putting it on, I feel like it looks pretty close to what's on the box. I realized I didn't say anything about like pricing or anything like that. So this retails for $34, and it says Ramen ND's Volume Hack Trio is the ultimate viral lip combo to achieve plump, full lips, featuring new shades specially curated for our global fans. Like I said, Ulta only has 2 options, but there is a 3rd one. I was considering getting a little bit more pinky because, you know, y'all always want like a so beigey, nudie lip all the time, but then I saw some of the videos and I was like, it might be a little too pink for me, but now I might circle back and get the more pinkier option. And also, like, I could use the pinkier option with the brown lip liners. Let me tell you my thoughts on the 3 products. That lip liner, baby, when I tell you, it's the right amount of buttery lip liner that you need, but you know, like, you can just tell it's going to stay put on your lips. The balm, I mean, like, there's only so much tinted lip balm can do. I feel like it's supposed to kind of give the one that Fenty came out with, although I don't think it's a lip balm. I think it's an actual like lipstick type product. Y'all know the one that I'm talking about in the Fenty packaging. I think that's an actual like lipstick thing. I don't think that's supposed to be a balm, so that would explain why it's more pigmented, but this product reminds me of that. It's tinted lip balm, and I am someone who naturally has darker lips, so if you don't, it might even perform even better for you. That lip gloss, and it's that right type of shiny lip gloss. Again, it just takes it to another level. But it's not like sticky or anything like that. I don't have any like feeling like that. So I am here for this. This is a good first impression for a brand that I've never tried before. And if you're of a deeper complexion, definitely a lip trio that you should consider. Yes. Yeah, okay. That bottom lip is lipping. Okay, so that is it for this video, y'all. Like I said, it should have been a very short, sweet, to the point type video. If there is any other lip kit you would like me to check out, let me know. I am considering trying Jada's lip kit. I told y'all, if it's not at a retailer, I just be forgetting to go ahead and order it from their site. So, but let me know if there's a lip kit you would like me to try. I hope seeing me test out has helped. If any of you are thinking of checking it out for yourself, it'll be linked in the description down below. And yeah, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.